What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to another Cut the Rope level walkthrough, this time walking you through level 12 on Cut the Rope Fabric Box, the second box inside of the Cut the Rope story. And if you did need help on any other levels in Cut the Rope, I have a full playlist linked at the top of the description, and it has a video for every single level that I am doing with a walkthrough to help you out and get you past giving you a 3-star on any level that you need help with. But as of this video, let's hop into Fabric Box level 12, and I can show you what's going on and how to get the 3-star on this level. You can see that this level has a ton of balloons, and it's actually kind of fun with the bug and the long rope. You're going to cut the short rope though, and then using the bubble, you end up having the balloons and just hit the balloons and push it across the map. It's not much, it's kind of hard to explain what I'm doing there, but just make sure it doesn't get to the spikes, and then eventually you'll be able to pop the bubble, and it will slice right over Omnom's head, and then you could slice the rope before the bug gets to the candy, and you will get the 3-star for this level on Fabric Box. That's all there is to it though. Like I said, if you did need help on any other levels, check that playlist that is linked at the top of the description. Other than that though, if you did find this helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.